Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in, just me.
Hello guys, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi. I'm really glad you clicked on this video. I do hope by the end of it you will decide to become a part of the Gem Squad family by hitting that big red button. Okay guys, so this is what we're going to do today. I have several videos going up today, and you might want to check some of them out as they come out if you're interested in hair extensions and stuff like that. So this particular video, I'm going to be doing an eye look, a natural eye look, a neutral natural eye look with this palette here. You guys got it this month in Boxycharm. It is the KVD Edge of Reality palette that comes in the recycled packaging. All right guys, so let's get right into this look. I'll see you in a minute. I'm going to use the KVD Edge of Reality palette today since a lot of you got it this month in Boxycharm. I was faithful. I did continue with my cancellation. I did not order the December's box. Alright, I'll try to put the colors on the screen for you. I'm going to go in with this Luxie brush. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. You know what I forgot? Primer! We need primer. Alright. This is the Thrive Cosmetics primer. I've been liking it, so I've been using it. Alright, let's get some of this on my eye here. Okay. This is the Luxie dual-ended 249 brush. I love it. It's a great brush. And basically what we're going to do is we're just going to, in circular motions, put our transition shade down. I really like to make sure there's no separation in pigment, that you can't see the skin through the color. And I like to build it up. I will definitely try to put the colors on the screen for you. Let me know if you've gotten this palette down in the comments below. And if you have you used it yet? Okay. I'm liking. There's a lot of really pretty shimmers in here. I'm going to continue to build up my crease first. So I'm going to go in with this darkest shade over here. Going to start right here because that's where I want the most pigment, and then we're going to do circular motions and spread it on around. Remember, what you blend extends. That's the reason that I put the most color here, is because I don't want my eyeshadow to drag down. I want my eye to look lifted, especially because I have mature lids, you know, the ones that move. Okay. Well, I'm liking it, and I always take my brush and move the color toward the eye. So this way I don't have eyeshadow coming down. You want your face to look lifted. Okay. Circular motions work best, but you can use windshield wiper motions too. I mean, it's up to you. You ladies that have perfect eyelids, I envy you. The younger ones. Alright, so we are darkening up my crease, getting ready for those shimmers to make these eyes pop. Alright, gonna use the other side of this brush, and I am going to put some setting spray on it. Setting spray does multiple things. It brings out more of the color. You can also use a wet brush if you'd like to, but it also helps with fallout, and shimmers have a tendency to fall out. Alright, so we have got this really gorgeous color here, which is crumbling. Wow. Okay, we're gonna have to be careful putting this on. I'm gonna stamp it in. Bring it a little bit above my crease to give the illusion that my eye looks bigger. Love it. Okay, dip back in. Okay, I'm not quite done with that, obviously. What I'm gonna do is continue it with another shimmer and give it an ombre effect. But now I've got to put this over here. This is a gorgeous color. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. I love it. That's beautiful. Make sure you take some time blending it. Woo! You're gonna have to blend it a certain way though, because you don't want the shimmers everywhere. Okay, now I'm gonna take the other side of this brush, put a little more setting spray on it, and we're gonna move into our next shimmer. I think I'm gonna go into this brownish one right here. Woo, again, crumbling. So I'm gonna pat it in. Make sure that I am pressing it down and blending it nicely. Okay, let's go in with this matte brown that we put in the crease and go ahead and put more of it out here. The outer lid. Right underneath the brow bone. I did not add setting spray for this, but my brush is still a little wet, so. Okay, I want to make sure that when you're blending, you're touching the edges of that color that you laid down before it and kind of patting it together. You definitely don't want to do windshield wiper motions or circular motions after you've added shimmers, because it's just going to blend all together, unless that's what you're looking for. And then you want to take notice of how far you want your eyeshadow to come out based upon your eye shape. And really, it's just a general rule of thumb is just pay attention to it. You know, your eyeshadow shouldn't be down here. And sometimes, you know, it shouldn't be up here either. It just really depends on your eye shape. This is a beautiful, nice, neutral look. I'm enjoying it. Okay, so I'm going to take the other side of this brush. This is the brush that I first used. And what I'm going to do is just blend the outer edges barely. I want this part a little bit lighter so it's not such a dramatic change in skin tone. Okay, so we've got underneath the eye to do, and I'm gonna need a stiffy for that. And if you're new to my channel, I will show you what a stiffy is. This one here, my Falling Apart Sigma brush, that's a stiffy. You can use setting spray. I would recommend it, I think, because you don't want fallout, and that helps. So I'm gonna coat my brush with this One Hit Item setting spray, and we're going to go in with the matte color brown, and we're going to stamp it right here. Don't worry, we're going to go back in and blend. Okay, we need like a mini round brush, and we need to put some setting spray on it to blend. And this one here is just a Morphe brush. It doesn't have a number. And I'm going to go ahead and just dip it into that brown color. And we're going to gently you do not want to do circular motions underneath. Pretty sure you know that though. Make sure everything looks like it belongs together. This is where you do your fine detailing. Okay, what am I not happy with? What do I want to change if I can change it? And all that. Make sure it flows nicely together. And then you can put on some eyeliner. I'm going to go ahead and surprise, I want to go in with a liquid liner for the top, and then, if I can find it, Kylie Jenner's black liner for the waterline. Okay guys, so that's my finished look. What do you think? I didn't do like the eyelashes and the eyeliner on camera to save some time. So if you have any questions for me, or if you want to see videos like that, put that down in the comments below. I do have videos on lashes and different things out there for you guys. And here we are with the, I think this is the second or third time I've used this palette now. Stunning. I wanted to see if we could get a nice, neutral, gorgeous, brownish kind of vibe, and I'm loving this. What do you guys think? Let me know that in the comments below. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Did you get this palette? Have you used it yet? I need to know all the details. I will talk to you guys down in the comments, and I will see you really, really soon in another video.